Hi. I hope you don't mind me sitting here. It's kind of busy today, and this spot looked free. I'm Anna, by the way.
No problem at all. Please have a seat. I'm Tom. Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Tom. So, do you come here often? Or are you new around here?
Actually, I just moved here last month. I'm still getting used to everything. What about you?
I've been here a few years now. I'm originally from Berlin, Germany. It's quite different from here. Where are you from?
I'm from Toronto, Canada. It's a big city on the east side. Moving here has been quite a change.
Wow, that's a big move. What made you decide to come here all the way from Canada?
Mostly work. I got a job offer I couldn't say no to. Plus, I thought a change of scenery would be good.
I totally get that. Sometimes a fresh start is exactly what you need. So, what do you do for work?
I'm a software developer. I build websites and mobile apps. It's challenging but fun. And you?
I teach German to international students. It's a rewarding job because I get to meet people from all over the world.
That sounds amazing. You must hear some interesting stories from your students.
Absolutely. It's like a small world in every classroom. We share culture, language, and sometimes even food.
Speaking of food, have you tried any local dishes here? How do you like the food so far?
I've tried a few things. Some are delicious, others are, well, different. How about you?
Same here. I love trying new dishes, even if some are a bit unusual to me. I guess food is one of the best ways to understand a culture.
Definitely. By the way, do you celebrate any special holidays back in Canada?
Yeah, we have Canada Day on July 1st and Thanksgiving in October. Both are big family events.
Thanksgiving. That's something we don't really have here. Do you cook a lot for it?
I try, but my mom's cooking is unbeatable. Her turkey is legendary in our family.
Moms always have the magic touch, don't they? I sometimes cook German dishes like schnitzel or potato salad.
That sounds delicious. You'll have to teach me how to make those sometime.
Deal. But only if you promise to share some maple syrup with me.
You have a deal. That's fair.
So, how are you finding life here so far? Any culture shocks?
A few. The food, the pace, even the weather. Winters here are a bit less harsh than Toronto, but still cold.
I can imagine. Berlin winters are cold too, but we get some beautiful snowy days.
Snow really changes the atmosphere. It makes everything feel peaceful.
Exactly. Do you miss Canada much?
Sometimes, especially my family and friends. And of course, the maple syrup.
Haha, Canadians and their maple syrup obsession. What about the cold? Do you miss that?
Not at all. I'm more of a warm weather person. Toronto winters
I
can
don't
be
blame
brutal.
you. So, what do you like to do for fun here?
I've been exploring the city, trying new restaurants, meeting people. It's been a good experience so far.
Meeting new people is definitely the best part of moving somewhere new. It helps you feel at home.
Absolutely. And speaking of that, I'm really glad we started talking. It makes this new place feel less lonely.
Same here. It's always nice to find someone you can connect with.
Do you keep in touch with your family back in Germany?
Yes, I video call them regularly. It helps when you're far away from home.
Me too. I call my family every weekend.
It's a comfort. It's funny how no matter where we come from, we all miss the same things: family, familiar food, and a sense of home.
Exactly. But making new friends helps bridge that gap.
Definitely. So, what are your plans here? How long will you stay?
At least a year, maybe longer if everything goes well. I want to really experience the culture.
That sounds great. I think you'll enjoy it more as time goes on.
I hope so. And talking with you makes me feel more optimistic.
Thanks. Let's definitely keep in touch. Maybe next time, we can talk about travel?
Absolutely. I'd love that.
Great. It was really nice meeting you, Tom.
Likewise, Anna. Take care and see you soon.
Bye.